How to edit your picture on Instagram on iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to edit your picture on Instagram on iOS phone. As you see here, you go here to your profile icon like this. You will see this profile, click on it and you will see edit picture or avatar, click on it and you can choose any option of these and just choose your photo which you want to edit, and that's how to edit your picture on Instagram. And that's for today. If you like the video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.